Good morning! Today is a great day to cook breakfast. I can see now. Are you ready? Let's start. Looking good, Betty. Now, how do you feel today? I feel great. What should I wear today? I choose this one. Yellow is my happy color. Look, my school is open today. Come on in. Do not disturb? First, I need my tea. Then, English class begins. Bob, wake up. Every morning is a good morning.
Betty.
It is 6 in the morning. Exactly. Good morning, Bob.
Good morning, Betty.
Hello there. That is how we greet people.
Betty, I just want my breakfast.
Welcome to my kitchen. This is my classroom today. Come in, sit down.
It is still just the kitchen, Betty.
Look at my board. Are you excited, Bob?
I am excited for breakfast, Betty.
These are my ingredients: eggs, bread, honey, orange juice.
Betty, when do the ingredients become breakfast?
First, turn on the stove. Then put the pan on. Always start with heat.
Now we are getting somewhere, Betty.
This is an egg. One egg. It is small, but it is very important, just like you.
Betty, please, just crack the egg.
Beautiful. Now it cooks in the butter.
Finally. Thank you, egg.
Watch the egg cook, slowly, slowly. Good things take time.
This is the best class so far, Betty.
The egg is ready. I put it on the plate. It looks beautiful, yes?
Very beautiful, Betty. Is that plate for me?
I put the bread in the toaster. Then we wait, and pop! The toast is ready. I spread the butter on the toast. Do you want honey too?
Betty, I am ready for a long time.
Sit down, Leo. Look, your orange juice is ready.
Grandma, you already knew I was coming down?
Read this. Say it out loud.
Good morning.
Good morning, Grandma Betty. Perfect, Leo. You wrote egg. Egg.
Egg.
Read the question and answer in a full sentence.
Grandma made eggs and toast for breakfast?
Perfect, Leo. You said it correctly. Well done.
It is just one sentence, Grandma.
Your turn, Bob. Read the question. Answer in a full sentence.
I feel very hungry this morning, Betty.
Well done, Bob. Both of you, excellent students. Now, eat your breakfast.
Thank you, Betty, for the star and for the egg.
Maya, good morning. Come in. You are just in time for English class.
Mom, I have a meeting in 40 minutes. I just need coffee.
Coffee is ready, Maya, but first, one sentence.
Mom, you are standing between me and my coffee.
Read the question, Maya. Full sentence. The coffee is right here waiting.
I feel rushed and tired this morning, Mom, but I am happy to see you.
Here is your star. Here is your star. You earned it.
Thank you, Mom. Now can I please have my coffee?
I pour the coffee carefully, slowly, to the top. See?
Thank you, Mom. This is perfect.
A promise is a promise, Maya. Tell me, what do you want?
I would like some hot chocolate, please.
2 big spoons of cocoa. I stir it slowly into the warm milk.
Grandma, can you make this every morning, please?
With 3 marshmallows.
This is the best thing ever, Grandma.
2 biscuits for later. You always forget to eat lunch, Maya. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Mum, for everything this morning.
This is my favorite time of day. Breakfast together. There is no better place than home.
Me too, Grandma, me too.
While we eat, one more little lesson. Just a small one.
We always notice, Betty.
At the table, we always use magic words. Leo, can you remember what they are?
Can you pass the jam, please, Grandma?
Perfect response, Leo. Beautiful. And Bob, you have jam on your face.
Here you are. Thank you, Betty.
Look at everything we learned today. Words, sentences, questions, all from one breakfast.
Grandma, that is actually a lot of words.
Every morning is a chance to learn something new. Write it in your heart.
That one I already knew, Betty.
Well done, everyone. You were excellent students this morning.
Grandma, does session 1 mean...
There is a session 2? Session time, same kitchen. Don't be late.
Betty, can I at least bring my own coffee tomorrow?
I am so sorry. The coffee is all gone. But look, there is a fresh bag for tomorrow.
Betty, you planned this.
If you enjoyed our breakfast together, please subscribe to my channel, right down there. Stay tuned for our next session. And remember, every morning is a chance to learn something new.